Let's find out how to create an Immo Bypass account. First, go to carlabimmo.com. If you're using a PC, click Immo Bypass on the black menu bar at the top and click Login Register. If you're using a mobile phone, tap the icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then expand Immo Bypass section and click Login Register. The rest of the process is the same as on PC, so for the rest of the video let's jump right back into PC version. Once you've created your Immo Bypass account, you'll be able to log into your user panel from this page. But you don't have an account yet, right? So click the button below, Sign up. Now, provide the following: your email address, password, and retype the password for confirmation. Read the GDPR terms and conditions. If you agree, check the first box. The second part describes your agreement to receive marketing materials. Selecting this box is not obligatory but can be very useful. Select I am not a robot box and click Register. If everything went well, you will see a window confirming that your account has been created successfully. From here, you can go to User Panel, purchase a subscription, or download Immo Bypass. Congratulations! You have your own Immo Bypass account now. How to download and install Immo Bypass, how to buy a subscription, or how to manage your account. You can learn this by watching other videos from this series.